שקלים פרק ה' משנה ו'. שתי לשכות היו במקדש. There were two sections in the temple. אחת לשכת חשאים. One was called the לשכה of חשאים. חשאים means secret. I don't know. Secret, I think. Yeah. ואחת לשכת הכלים. And one was called a section for the vessels. What's לשכת חשאים? לשכת חשאים, the section for the secret, יראי חטא נותנים לתוכה מעות לצדקה. People would go into this room and donate money and put money over there.
יראי חטא means בינוני?
No, you don't have to be Benoni. Somebody who is trying to be a Benoni. You know, he's at least working for it. Yeah? So people who are afraid of sin, like people there, נותנים לתוכה מעות לצדקה. They give into it money for tzedakah. They come every day and says, this is money for tzedakah. בחשאי, secretly, they walk in. בצנעה, שלא ידע אדם שהם נתנו, that nobody will know that they are the one who's giving it. ועניים בני טובים, and then you have poor people from good families, מתפרנסים מתוכה בחשאי. They would come into this room and they would take money, again, secretly. נוטלים משם בסתר. They will take from it in secrecy. שלא יתביישו שהם מתפרנסים מן הצדקה. So they're not going to embarrassed that they get money from charity. מכאן נקראת הלשכת לשכת חשאים. That's why it's called the section of the secret. In other words, you will go in one by one, nobody sees you, you go in, you put money, nobody knows if you are putting money, taking money. Yeah, that's it.
But how can they do it? What, you go in, you can take $100,000.
Oh, so it looks like who would go in there? עניים בני טובים. Maybe they will only get certain people to go over there.
Oh, בני טובים.
Yeah, I don't know how they will sit
גם
out.
בית המקדש אז, הבן אדם יראה גם, הוא לא ייקח יותר.
No, we're talking about the Ramaim, you remember in the previous one, that we walked around with the...
זה לא...
Yeah.
אוקיי.
לשכת הכלים, so that was לשכת חשאים. לשכת הכלים, then you had an area of the בית המקדש for vessels. What do you do over there? כל מי שהוא מתנדב כלי למקדש, anybody had any vessel, anything, any vessel to the temple, זורקו לתוכה. He throws that vessel into that לשכה. לתוך לשכה זו. ואחת... parts, metals, spoons, whatever.
You give what they need it for.
Oh, you'll see soon. ואחת ל-30 יום, גזברים פותחים אותה. 1 out of 30 days, the one who's responsible for it opens it up and see what he has in, what collected. את לשכת הכלים, וכל כלי שמצאו בו צורך לבדק הבית, מניחים אותו. Any vessel that they need to use for the temple, they leave it. Like there's a golden cup. Oh, a golden cup, we can use it for that, whatever. והשאר, and the remainder, שאר הכלים שאין בהם צורך לבדק הבית, all the other vessels that you don't need it, נמכריים בדמיהם, you will sell it on the open market, you make an auction, whatever, not an auction, you probably sell it for the value, ונופלים ללשכת בדק הבית, and the money goes for the temple, for the running of the temple. מוכרים אותם, you will sell them, ודמיהם נופלים ללשכה שנותנים לתוכה כל קודשי בדק הבית, and this is going to be responsibility for the guy, for the money wise, he's going to take care of the upkeep of the temple.